Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Ps5 owner account so you have full control. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then Family and Parental Controls. Make sure you know the console PIN or the child account email because you will need to verify identity and link accounts. Once done, select Family Management to view child profiles. You do this first because parental controls live under Family Settings. This step prevents permission errors later and prepares you to make targeted changes quickly. Next, focus on the detailed controls. Select the child profile and set the appropriate age level so the console auto-blocks unsuitable games and apps. Then configure communication and social features because limiting messaging protects privacy. Add playtime limits and schedule access to control daily use. Make sure to set the allowance for purchases or disable them entirely to prevent unexpected charges. Finally, enable the console passcode and disallow new account creation without owner approval so settings remain enforced. To finish, test the changes by signing into the child account and attempting restricted actions. This confirms everything works as intended. If something fails, first update the Ps5 system software and recheck family settings since firmware fixes many issues. If restrictions still misbehave, re-enter the passcode or remove and re-add the child profile. Only reset the PIN or restore defaults as a last resort because that erases custom rules. If you get locked out, contact PlayStation support with console and account details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.